It's all fun and games until you have to take your setup down and you are already tired.
Hey my beautiful people, so today you're gonna spend the day with me. I am a digital content creator, a executive administrative assistant, and a volunteer engagement coordinator. So today I'm gonna take you through what I semi do every day. Okay guys, so I'm about to start on my normal job. I have to answer some emails and send some emails out for reminders of volunteer opportunities. I need to revise some of our social media stuff. Look at what I need to like wrap up and finish up for this week. Plan out next week. Also, my dog is just sitting here looking at me. Also, see what I need our social media interns to work on next week. So I'm trying to go through those things so we can have all this stuff prepared. I'm probably gonna work a little bit over my allotted time just because I need to make sure some stuff is wrapped up and that people have the information they need to work on their stuff for next week. So yeah, that's what we're working on right now. Well, today. Well, right now, because we'll be working on some other stuff later.
Can you guys believe this sweet little chunky munchkin used to only be 2 pounds when he was born? Yes, y'all. Like, y'all, every time I see his face, my heart just melts. So if you guys went over onto my vlog channel for for Vlogmas, not Glamour Days, for Vlogmas, you would have seen this. Oh, this little piece of love, this is my cousin. So at this time, I was babysitting him while my cousin was working. And that meant some days that I just had to hold him in my arms so that I could get my work done. Sometimes he would nap while I was working, and sometimes he would be up looking me in my face, and we would have to watch Sesame Street together. Oh, I just love seeing his little face, guys. I just miss him so much. But yeah, this is basically how my days went. Some days I just had to hold him in my arms, and we would watch Sesame Street while I worked. So yeah, for you working parents out there, y'all deserve the world. I love y'all. Have kids, they say. It'll be fun, they say.
2 hours later.
Y'all, eating lunch. I forgot to show y'all, but it's good. Y'all know Chick-fil-A. Excellent. Just warmed up my fries in the air fryer because they were a little cold. And then, lemonade. My sister brought me stuff because she had to go run some errands to get some stuff for her business. But yes, yummy. Finna eat this, watch a little TV, and then get back to work so I don't procrastinate today. Okay, so I'm about to set up my backdrop, my lights, do my makeup, figure out what I'm going to wear so I can take these pictures and film a video really quickly. Some of this stuff I've been procrastinating on because there's some stuff going on in my family and my household right now, and hopefully one day I'll be able to tell y'all about that, but right now I don't really want to talk about it. Yeah, I've just been procrastinating on doing personal business stuff, and that's what I do my normal job, like it's not a problem. But when it comes to me, anything like personal, like self-care, making sure, like it took me forever. It took me like over a month and a half to get my hair done. I braided the top in a whole different style, and then I was like, oh, this is gonna take too long. I don't feel like doing the back. So I took that down, and then I started on these, and now I need to like fix these in the front. I should have made them smaller in the middle. I don't know why, but whatever. But yeah, I've been procrastinating. Like, I have one half of my room clean and the other half needs to be clean. There's just so much stuff on my list that I just have not done for me personally, including like YouTube stuff, my website, working on my 30 before 30 stuff. Like, it took a little pause for a little minute, and now I'm trying to get back on track. Yeah, but we'll talk about that later. So let me go ahead and set this stuff up. I do this every time. Every time. I cannot find my memory card. My memory card. Just had it last night. Put it back in that little plastic case so that I wouldn't lose it, so that I wouldn't step on it, so that I wouldn't break it. And of course, I can't find it. If it's not this, it's the batteries. Now I have one battery that I'm putting on the charger. Now I'm trying to find the other two so that I can put those on the charger also. Okay, we're gonna do this today. But I'm gonna find the memory card and the two batteries before I start to do my makeup to film, because I'm already sweating. You'll see the glisten. Already sweating.
Okay, so my phone is on 10%. I'm gonna charge you guys up while I try to look for a decent shirt to put on. Maybe some jewelry. Maybe I should I'm gonna put earrings on. A necklace, maybe. I'll see what shirt I'm gonna wear first. While I figure out my lighting. Okay, so from future editing self, I just wanted to jump in here and tell you guys that I disliked all the pictures. I did not like my shirt. I did not like my hair. Nothing turned out the way I wanted it to be. And then on top of that, while I was doing my makeup, I must have scratched my eye because the next day I could not see out of it. By the time I was actually done with filming and trying to edit the website, I started to not be able to see out my eye. So I just hated all of this. Find me a shirt and put some jewelry on. I'm gonna let you guys charge. Focus. Focus. I would just like for y'all to know that I took pictures for no reason. I hated all of them. I'm not feeling them. So I decided to go back and find some pictures that I really liked. And I'm gonna try to do a little something. So I have Final Cut Pro up right now, trying to see if I can mix and match some things to create something usable until I can get some photos that I really, really, really love. Cause I kind of, like, in my mind, I can kind of see what I wanted, but it's not coming out even slightly close. So I'm like, nah, But I think I have a solution temporarily. And then we'll figure out how I can get it to be what I really want it to be. At this point, I'm kind of over it. But I'm getting it done so I can upload this. Now I'm like, dang, I don't feel like recording. I just want to clean and then sit in my bed and watch a movie and eat something. I have a heartburn from that Chick-fil-A earlier, but I'm hungry. Heartburn and being hungry don't match. Because your body literally like, I don't want to eat. But my stomach's like, we're starving. So this is hours later. Yeah, it took me a while to do my face. Even though I like my makeup, these pictures are not coming out like they supposed to. So we're just gonna go ahead and work on that. See what we can do about it, y'all. I would be like, hey guys, here's your little sneak peek, but this will be live by the time this vlog goes up. But I'm super excited. Yay. Oh, snap, I gotta do this. I forgot. Let me go find a picture. Okay, guys, so I have finished. Finally, it's like 10:30. I finished tweaking some stuff, had some people review it, look over it and just like give feedback. And then I switched over my domain from where it was to here. And like, that's gonna be a problem. It's glitching, but it's okay. We'll figure that out. Not right now though, because I'm tired. I moved my domain over from where it was to over here, and now it has to be like certified that it's a secure website. And I didn't know that. I would have done this days ago. But on Google Chrome, I cannot pull up my website. This is from the back end. That's the only reason why it's up on Google Chrome right now. But I can pull it up in Safari. Like y'all can see, AshleyDominique.com. It says they're not secure. But yeah, so it says it can take up to 72 hours. So I said I wish I had known that a few days ago.
I would have done it earlier and kept it just private or password protected, just so it could, you know, like process, you know. But yeah.
Okay, so I have just one more thing. Since I'm done with this now, I have to just film a quick little intro to a video that I've been working on for a couple months. That will go up in July. But yeah, I wanted to film a couple of videos today, edit them, have one go up tomorrow, but that did not happen. It's okay, because I think what I'm gonna do is, since Monday is a holiday and people will be, you know, chilling at the house, I will, tomorrow and Sunday, I will film. If not, definitely Sunday. I might just chill tomorrow. We'll just see. Cause I am so tired. I don't know how it's gonna work. And it's so weird because it's only 10:30, and normally, like, even when I'm tired at 10:30, the second I try to actually go to sleep, I can't. But I think I'm just like overly tired. I think everything that's been going on for the last few weeks, my body is just like, girl, go lay down. I kind of want to watch a Marvel's movie though, or something on HBO Max. Okay, so guys, I guess we're done. Like, y'all ain't gotta watch me film this intro. I don't have to. You don't have to watch me film this intro. But until next time, peace out. Much love, and I'll see you guys later.